এই ভিডিওতে তোমরা দেখতে পাবে আমার কিছু স্টুডেন্ট যারা আমার কাছে স্পোকেন ইংলিশ শেখে তারা তাদের ডেইলি রুটিন কিভাবে বলেছে। তাহলে ভিডিওটি দেখো।
Hello, my name is Shayan Das. Today I will describe you my daily routine. At first, I wake up early in the morning at 6 p.m. Then I go to washroom and brush my teeth. Usually after that I have tuition class. After tuition at 8 p.m. I come back home at
8 a.m.
8 a.m. and come back home. Then I scroll my mobile phone for 15 to 20 minutes. Then I eat some food and take a bath at 9:30 a.m. and go to school. In school I learn many things from our teacher. During tiffin break I eat some food and play with my friends. After tiffin break period, again I learn many things from my teacher. At 4 p.m. after school I come back home, and usually after that I have tuition class at home. After tuition at 8 p.m. I start to do my homework, and after that I eat my dinner and go to bed for sleep.
Thank you, Shayan, for your description.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Puttush Malik. Today I am describing my daily routine. Usually I wake up early in the morning around 6:30 a.m. Then I go to washroom, and from then I brush my teeth, and after that I wash my hands and legs. Then around 8:30 p.m. my tuition teacher came. Tuition teacher comes. After that he leaves me around 10 a.m. and as he leaves me late, so I have to hurry to go to school, and then I have to take late breakfast. After that I go to school around 10:40 a.m. Then in school I learn different type of many things from our many things from our teacher. After that and during lunch break I play with my friends and take my lunch. After that I come back home around 4:30 p.m. Then I go to playground, and around 6:30 a.m. my tuition teacher came, and he leaves me around 8 to 8:30 p.m. After that I take some rest. That time I watch TV or mobile phone, and after that around 9 p.m. I do my homework, and after that I watch television while taking my dinner. Then I brush my teeth again. Then I washed my hands and legs. Then I go to bed for sleeping.
Thank you, Prattush.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shubhankar Das.
Speak up.